Hello, I'm John Domasinski. I'm very happy to invite you here today to Hartland, Wisconsin for LANG's grand opening for the U.S. We're here very excited to show everyone about what we have to do here. So let's not waste time. Let's go check it out.
My expectation for today, I didn't really expect there to be as many people as we see throughout here, so it was really neat seeing all the different customers and different people that are interested in LANG products.
To meeting customers, to meeting our partners here, having a good time and show them our great product, what we brought on the market.
And it's a great environment. You get to network and connect with a lot of different individuals from different industries. So it's really cool to see what LANG kind of put together today.
It's hard for me to get away from the machine shop sometimes. We're so busy, but whenever I knew that LANG was doing in their open house, so I got to make a really good trip of it, and I kind of came away with a lot of good information for our shop.
It's hard to keep up with LANG. I mean, the stuff is evolving so quickly. These events are very important for people in the U.S. to basically enlighten them on what technologies are available, especially today with automation.
Huge fan, been a fan for about slightly over a decade, and continue to support the products and the team that produces all this.
If I could describe LANG in 3 words, it would be efficient, standardized, and powerful.
3 of the exact same words, which is repeatability, 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 and quality, of course, but quality that repeats.
We're looking for fixturing for some of our newer machines, and we came across LANG being a local company here in the area, so we started a partnership with them. So we'll provide them tooling, and they'll provide us fixturing as well, back and forth.
So Haimer is a global partnership with LANG. We use their product in a lot of our production.
We are both German manufacturers, so the machines are built in Germany, just 1 hour drive away from the headquarters of LANG. And together we are partnering in Germany and also worldwide, especially here in the US.
LANG and Autodesk have a great partnership. LANG have provided a lot of work holding solutions inside of products like Fusion. So for example, if customers want to go ahead and bring in a lot of their LANG hardware into our CAM system, Fusion, models already provided inside of Fusion, so customers can simply assemble those fixtures, put it into their setup, create tool pathing, create collision avoidances, and make sure that they're getting accurate model representation of all of the LANG work holding inside of Fusion.
Well, I hope you enjoyed what you've seen today. We'd really like to say a big thank you to all our partners that were here. And hopefully we've given you some information to take a look at and be able to help you whatever you want to take a look further with what we can offer as LANG. Thank you again for visiting LANG.